Today's Japa Mantra is Shanthi. This mantra is used in many spiritual traditions and is a very powerful mantra, and it is used to invoke peace, tranquility, and harmony. So let's begin. And as I said yesterday, as you repeat the mantra, just allow your awareness to really get absorbed into the mantra and then create a little space in between each repetition. So sitting up nice and tall, it can be a chair, it could be on your bed, on the floor, and gently close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath in together and ever so gently let it go. Just feel yourself arriving in your meditation space. Just noticing what it feels like to be you in this moment. What sensations are showing up physically. Noticing the breath and the quality of the breath. And now take a moment to set an intention for this practice. And this could simply be that you're present. And we'll begin. Om Shanti. 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 So directing your inner gaze to your eyebrow center. Staying fully aware and present with the outcome of our short practice. 108 repetitions of the mantra Om Shanti. And again, stay here as long as your time allows. But for the sake of this video, and keeping it in under 10 minutes, we'll begin to invite a deeper breath into the body. And then take a stretch, whatever way feels good and right for your body. And we'll place our hands together. We're just about out of time. Take a deep breath in. And as we exhale, bow to our hearts. Namaste.